What are you aiming for?
Box on the right.
On the right.
Now wing. Equal 4.
That's a hit.
Now the box on the left, the upper one.
A hit.
That's a hit. Another one. The rifle's pretty accurate. That's for damn sure. That's a hit. Okay. Now the close tire. I'm shooting at the spray bottle.
Ah, okay.
Right up ahead. Double clock. Yep, I got it.
It didn't fall.
It didn't fall yet. I'll make another shot.
You hear them.
Right? Another one. So it will be down. So the chip bitch is going down.
Was that a hit?
Oh. I missed it. Gosh. Okay. See me from the left.
Should we look at the damage? Should we look at the damage?
Okay, let's shoot it from up close. Right, the execution.
Well, there are holes in it.
Fucking right, they are a bit back. They'll be back.
Oh, sorry.
Execution. That's good. Right, so we put some holes in it. 1, 2, 3. One the other. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's pretty fucked up. Yeah, let's check the box. Yep. 4.5 caliber does something. That for damn sure. Look at this. Damn shit.
I don't know if they can see it. It's there.
Yep.
That's a hit.
That's a fucking hit.
Stop. Wait. It's right here. See?
Yeah.